Hello, everybody. This is going to be a quick demo on how to get going on the Fibonacci extension, specifically the graphing portion of it. So after you've cloned your repo and imported the project, you'll see that inside the source folder, you'll have a package for each of the extensions, including Fibonacci. If you open Fibonacci, here's where you're going to build both the classic recursive version of the Fibonacci sequence and an iterative version. And we're later going to graph how the speeds are for this. So we're going to build a little graph line program now. And so you're going to get passed in an int array of y's. And what you need to do is use just the index of each one to be the x coordinate and the value inside of that at that index to be the y coordinate. So let me just run this program. It's empty. Right now I'm trying to draw these two lines, which are sine and cosine things that are massively scaled. We'll figure out the scale and everything like that, so you don't have to worry about it. You just have to draw each of those values. So let me sort of be a little more clear about this, hopefully. I want you to imagine like we're going to do we're going to draw one point, and we're going to draw the center index. And that's going to be y's.length divided by 2. Like that's the one point we're going to draw. And what I'm telling you is that x is the center index, is the index that you're going to draw. Now you're going to draw all of these points. It's going to be a line. You're going to need to draw not just a point. We're going to make this as simple as possible. That's x, right? And the one point I'm going to draw in this quick demo is going to be y's at center index. And then let's just draw this point. And standard draw dot point x and y. As you see, those are doubles. But now when I run this, right, you can see this one is like a graph here, and the other one is a graph like that. So you see it's sort of drawing them. And we didn't have to worry about like figuring out, all right, like what's the world space? We've done all that for you. Now, as you've probably seen, a trick I play on a lot of things is one of the nice things about Git, I like undid my solution to this problem. Let's close up this file. And then I'm going to replace with the head revision. One of the nice things about Git is you can always go back to previous versions. I have the working version ready to go. And so now when I run this program, you'll see it's going to draw not only those center points, but like a line completing them. And these are two different lines. Okay, and so this will come in handy later when we're visualizing the runtime of our two Fibonacci algorithms. But hopefully this will be a fun part of the assignment. And hopefully it'll go well. If it doesn't and you need help, just reach out to us and we're happy to help.